In this video, I'll show you how to change the menu text size in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So if you're having a hard time reading the menu items and you'd like to adjust the text size for the menu, it's pretty simple. Launch the game and then select Call of Duty Black Ops 7 from the Call of Duty homepage. And then press the menu button on your controller and then navigate to the settings wheel icon by using the R1 or the L1 button. And then scroll down and select Interface. Now within the interface, simply use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the Readability section. This is it. And then scroll down and find the menu text size and select it. And then now you can see three options. There's the default, there's larger or the largest. So if you want to increase the text size, you can simply choose largest. And now you can see the text size has changed. So you can select larger or largest and choose the option that you prefer. Once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.